Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. Still busy on the Yamaha FJR 1300. Guys, this is a sponsored video because we have to get the front side off the ground. Of course I got my winch, okay, but you don't have a winch. So the brand VEVOR was kindly sponsoring this video with a motorcycle lift. Absolute good one, I think. Well, quickly, what's in the box? Tough tools, half price. That's what we want. Then this, see, it's a nice tiny one. It fits underneath your bike perfectly. This is the tool to get it up, and this is yeah, we don't have much. Here you can block it. There are holes. Oh yeah, now it's in. And with this tool you can block it, lock it, so it doesn't come down while the front wheel is out or something like that. Now, let's see how it works. Guys, this is easy. We can, yep, perfect. Come on over, show you. Now guys, over here, it got a rubber patch onto it. Oh, nice. Got a bearing. See? There he goes. Looks great. This is the tool that came with it. Then, wow. I think it works. Absolute great to get your bike off the ground. Now, hoppa, guys, it's already off the ground. Wow, watch. Now, that's great. And now with this tool you can lock it. Not here, but over here. See? I think it's nice. Even get it higher if you want. Okay. Oh, this is absolute great. Now we let it go down for now, as I need. Get the calipers off. Hop. Guys, this works great. If you want a lift like this, it's built very sturdy. See, all. Well, in my opinion, it looks absolutely nice. Yes. Yep. Okay. Now. Look in the description, and there is a link to this company. You get a nice discount if you click on the link.